Have you ever looked out after it rains and seen those spots in your yard, the ones that stay super wet?
Oh, yeah. Like little ponds that just won't go away.
Exactly. It makes the grass kind of gross. Maybe you can't even play out there.
Ah.
Well, today we're diving into something really important. Lawn drainage services.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, how to help your yard get rid of that extra water. Keep it healthy. Keep your home safe.
That's right. Thinking about water, where it goes around your house, it's a bigger deal than most people think.
Really?
Yeah. Especially if you're in places like Pitt Meadows. Lots of rain there sometimes.
Mm-hmm. And it's not just about like a wet lawn.
Mm-hmm.
It affects the whole property.
For sure.
And actually, we got some really good insights for this deep dive from an article by Pacific Blue Mechanical. You can check out their website for more on lawn drainage services in Pitt Meadows. They've got some useful stuff there.
Yeah, they do. And our mission today really is just to understand the simple but powerful reasons why good drainage matters so much.
Okay, let's break that down then. What is lawn drainage like in simple terms?
Well, think of it like this. Your lawn needs a way out for extra water.
A path.
Yeah, a path. If the water just sits, it's kind of like, your bathtub plug is in and the tap's running.
Yeah.
Eventually it overflows. Not good.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
And that sitting water, it makes grass sick. It's called root rot.
Root rot. Sounds bad.
It is. The roots, they basically can't breathe. It's like us trying to breathe underwater.
Oh, wow.
So the grass turns yellow, then maybe brown. It can just die off. Plus, you get those awful muddy patches.
Oh, yeah.
Bugs love it, especially mosquitoes. And maybe the worst part, water can push against your house walls, your foundation.
Oh, no. That sounds like big trouble later on.
Exactly. Big, expensive trouble. Good drainage, though. It lets the plants breathe, keeps the ground healthy.
So how do you make that path for the water? You mentioned paths.
Well, there are some clever ways. One is called a French drain.
A French drain, what's that?
It sounds fancy, but it's basically a hidden trench. You dig a little ditch, fill it with gravel, put in a special pipe with holes.
Okay.
And it just collects the water underground and carries it away somewhere safe. Like a secret tunnel for water.
Huh. Neat. Are there other ways?
Sure, simpler things too, like surface drains, those little grates you sometimes see in low spots.
Oh, yeah, like in driveways sometimes.
Exactly. They just catch water right on top and pipe it away. Simple, but they work.
Okay.
Now, what's really interesting, you mentioned Pitt Meadows earlier.
Right.
In places like that, getting the drainage right is even more critical.
Why is that? Just because it rains more?
Well, yeah, that's part of it. Lots of rain. But also, the land there can be quite flat, or the soil might hold water, like a sponge.
Ah, so the water doesn't naturally run off easily.
Precisely. It just sits. And in Pitt Meadows, that sitting water isn't just a muddy yard problem. It can seriously threaten the house structure over time. And it can even, affect your property value if you try to sell later. Nobody wants a soggy problem house.
Okay, that makes sense. So this is where getting professional help comes in, right? What are the good things, the benefits, if you call experts like, say, Pacific Blue Mechanical?
Right. Well, the big thing is they know what they're doing. It's not guesswork.
Do you have the tools and stuff?
Exactly. Special tools, the right knowledge. They look at your specific yard, the slope, the soil, where the water goes, and they make a custom plan just for you. So it actually fixes the problem, hopefully the first time.
That sounds way better than me trying to dig a ditch myself.
Chuckles lightly. Probably, yeah. And it saves you money down the road.
How so?
Well, fixing a small drainage issue now stops it from becoming a huge, messy, expensive foundation repair or basement flood later.
Yeah. Prevention is cheaper than the cure.
Definitely. Plus, a yard that drains well just looks nicer, feels better.
True. No more squishy spots.
Right. Kids can play, you can enjoy your garden. It makes the whole property more appealing, can even bump up its value. And honestly, peace of mind, knowing your home is protected.
That's huge. Okay, so how can someone listening right now, how can you tell if your lawn needs this kind of help? What are the clues?
Yeah, good question. There are definitely signs to watch for.
What?
Well, the obvious one is puddles. Puddles that hang around for days after rain stops.
Okay, not just for an hour or two.
Right. or big soggy patches where it feels really squishy under your feet.
Mm-hmm.
Also, look at your grass. Is it looking yellow or kind of sickly, especially in those wet areas?
Yeah.
That's a big clue. And bugs, if you suddenly notice way more mosquitoes or other water-loving insects hanging around specific spots.
Ah, they're finding a breeding ground.
Exactly. Those are all signs your lawn is kind of crying out for help. It can't handle the water.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So pulling this all together then,
Yeah.
what's the main takeaway for you, the listener?
It really means that paying attention to your lawn drainage is just a smart move.
Yeah.
It protects your house, keeps your yard usable and beautiful. It's just good homeownership.
It really is a win-win-win, like you said.
Yeah.
Protect the house, enjoy the yard, keep things healthy.
Absolutely. Understanding what your yard needs, especially if you're somewhere rainy like Pitt Meadows,
Right.
it's key.
Right.
Maybe it's a simple fix. Maybe you need experts like Pacific Blue Mechanical. But either way, tackling drainage is a good investment.
Definitely.
Okay.
So here's a final thought for you. Next time it really pours, step outside for a second. Look at your yard. What's the water doing? What's it telling you about your home's hidden health?